on the Mysuru Dasara showdown. The Congress has sparked politics. Karnataka's Chief Minister is firm on the invite. Remember, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah saying, let them do it, we won't say no. Do you know Mirza Ismail? What was he? Diwan. Maharaja had got him seated in the Golden Howdah during Jumbo Savari. Where had the BJP and RSS gone then? So the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah hitting out at the BJP over the entire controversy that was, that has erupted during the Dasara celebrations in Mysuru, with award-winning author Banu Mushtaq being invited to inaugurate the celebrations. Listen in to what the Chief Minister had said.
Mirza Ismail ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಏನಾಗಿದ್ರು? ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮಹಾರಾಜರು ಅಂಬಾರಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಆಗ ಈ RSSನವರು ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯವರು ಎಲ್ಲೋಗಿದ್ರು? ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಇವನ್ ಕೈಲಿ 2017ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಸಾರ್ ಅಹಮದ್ ಕೈಲಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು.
ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ಚಲೋಗೆ ರೂಪುರೇಷೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಪೇಪ ಬೇಡದವ್ರೆ. ಈಗ Mirza Ismail.
My colleague Neha is joining us on the phone line. Neha, get us more details. The Chief Minister, of course, hitting out at the BJP as well as RSS over this entire controversy.
Well, that's right. Even as the BJP now has planned a Chamundi Chalo rally here to the Chamundi Hills ahead of the Mysuru Dasara that's been planned. In fact, there's a massive controversy, of course, that's broken out. And this over the invitation to Banu Mushtaq, Booker Prize winner. The BJP had been raising certain objections here, citing her religion, stating that it's not right to have her inaugurate the Mysuru Dasara, to which now you have the Chief Minister hitting back here, raising questions about, why the BJP is questioning this. The Chief Minister, they're saying that she's a writer, that she's got a lot of love and attachment, that the Dasara is more a cultural festival, not as much as a religious festival, and that, these demands, of course, by the BJP for her to apply vermilion and turmeric to her forehead for the inauguration is ridiculous, of course, to say the least. With this said, it seems like the politics around the Mysuru Dasara, even before its beginning, is at an all-time high in the state.
All right, Neha, thanks very much for joining us at the moment.